Are you using the right filters? In this Wireshark tutorial, I'm going to show you the best filters you need for optimal capturing of packets. Sometimes you want to filter only HTTP traffic. You type this in the filter and hit enter. Here you are going to find only HTTP traffic. It makes it easier for you to narrow down what you are searching for. This might be that you are trying to find all unencrypted web traffic. This is the right filter to use. Sometimes you might want to filter only encrypted HTTP traffic, which is the opposite of what we printed earlier. To do that, you use TLS. You hit enter. Now what you're looking at is only encrypted traffic. That's why under protocol, you can see only TLS. You can also filter by IP address. I'll give you an example. We can filter all communication related to this IP address. In that case, that would be 2.2.10. We hit enter. Now we are seeing all the communication, all the packets related to that very IP address, both incoming and outgoing. You can also search by port number. Let's say port 80. Let's hit enter. Now you are going to find all communication related to this very port. As you can see, this is port 80. Just like the filter we used earlier related to IP address, this also is the packet related to this very port number. The encrypted version of this would be 443, which you can also filter. In this case, you are going to find all communications related to this very port number 443. If there would be HTTP traffic only from this very device, you will be able to find it using this filter. For example, let us find if there is one. We hit enter. Now this shows us that there is HTTP request related to this very device. You can also search for only UDP packets using port 53 with this command. Let's see if it exists. It is there. Maybe you want to see DNS queries asking for exact domain name. For example, I want to see queries related to neverssl.com. Let's hit enter. Now it's going to show you all the DNS queries asking for that very domain. Or you want to see the TCP packets where the SYN flag is set, which is the start of connection request. You can use this very filter. Let's hit enter. Another thing you could do, you can search for an IP address where the destination is 1.2.2.10. Here you can see that the destination consists of only this very IP that we typed here. In reverse, you can change it when you want it to be only the source. When you hit enter, you will see that the only source IP addresses are the ones that we specified. So it makes it easier again for you to narrow down and concentrate on particular traffic. I hope these filters have been helpful. If so, can I ask you to please subscribe to my channel, to like and to share. Thank you.